Hi, Judd here. A little quickie cooking with Judd. I realized I don't actually have the video up of what started this whole thing, which was my gluten-free tortilla pizzas. So I'm throwing this up. This is sort of the basic thing because I've got a couple of addendums on the playlist. But the original Cooking with Judd post was a picture post on Facebook. So it all started with these gluten-free pizzas, which I make from corn tortillas. Then I spread on pizza sauce and Kraft shredded cheese and the pepperoni. Now tonight, I got two things different. I'm trying a new pizza sauce, gluten-free of course. This is in a can, and it's a little thicker, and it smelled really good. And then I'm trying these mini pepperonis from Hormel instead of the regular ones. The regular ones, I usually put about 7 of the regular size pepperoni on these, but I'm going with the minis this time, and we'll see how that is. Okay, here we go. This was in there for about 10 minutes at 350, and there we go. Oh boy, this is smelling good. Oh, does this smell good? And gee, do you think I put enough cheese on there? Wow. Or the tomato sauce. The tomato sauce underneath must have bubbled up. Those are looking thick. Remember, these are on a tortilla crust, so there's like paper thin crust. Woo-wee! Smelling good. These could be really, really good. Okay, gotta let them cool down a bit. You don't want to burn your mouth from pizza. We all been there, huh? Okay, something to note. Just a few seconds out of the oven, and they have flattened out considerably, settled down there. So apparently that was the sauce bubbling up under them that was giving them that artificial thickness. So these are going to be fine, and still going to give them a couple minutes to cool down. Okay, here we go. I put some oregano and salt on them. Got 2 of them here. Gonna give these a shot. A little flimsy on the crust. Okay, so this is a much wetter pizza sauce. So I probably put this in for another couple minutes, stiffen up the crust a little bit. And I hope it's not too hot. It still feels hot. Yeah, okay, that's good. I like that new sauce. I like little pepperonis. Yep, this is good. Let it be so. Happy day to you. Staying alive.
Tonight's aerial coverage is brought to you by